This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and thanks to this site here that we have never talked about before, it will allow you to make money on complete autopilot. And since I will show you multiple bonuses near the end of this video, make sure that you keep watching until the end so you don't miss out in any important step. And by doing that, you are gonna be able to make $500,000 or even $5,000 a day. And just imagine what you could do with that amount of money made online, that you can finally visit all the places. Imagine that you will be able to visit any pay experience that you want to, and also you will be able to invest in some of your online businesses that can potentially help you earn even more money. So also let us know in the comments below, what would you do with the money that you make online, because we would love to hear that. So just take a second and type in the comments down below. So for today, I have an extraordinary strategy to make money online passively as a broke beginner in 2021. And the very first site that I want you to go to is the site that will be paying us today, and this site is called Sotrim.com. So the first website which I would like you to come to is called Sotrim.com. So once that you're in Sotrim.com, this website actually specializes on products for losing weight, and you can actually go into Google and check out their reviews, because it's a very good website that has worked. Their product has worked for a lot of people, and you can find a lot of testimonies, so you can have a lot of certainty that these products could work for other people as well. So as you can see here, it will really help with any type of bloating problems, any type of weight loss problems, and then they will help you to lose weight in a safe manner. So once that you are in this website, you can as well have a look at the blog, you can have a look at the success stories, so you can find out more information about this company and how they work and the effect they have had in the life of other people. Once that you're on the website, which I would like you to do is I would like you to go to their affiliate program. Since it's a website that is actually recognized for a lot of people and has got a lot of testimonials, that means that your conversion rate is going to increase. So as you can see here, the average order value when people order Sotrim is $61, and the average conversion rate is 22.70%, which is very high. And if you stay until then, I'm gonna show you all the great features of this website that you can start using straight away and benefit from the results and from the income that is gonna generate you. So you can have a look, and you as you go down as well, they provide free worldwide shipping, which tends to be very fast, and this is very helpful because people are not willing to be waiting a lot for the package to arrive. They give you money back guaranteed. You have live chat support, different social media channels, and as well is mobile friendly, this site. So as you can see, it gives you the option to promote in different ways. So you can do it with banners, you can do it with product images, you can as well do it with testimonials on different languages. So you will see that the minimum payout of this platform will be $40. So as soon as you have 100 people sign up, you already will be making $4,000 in profit, which is very insane. So when you go to the payment methods, you can see that they will pay you in different platforms. You can either get paid on Bitcoin, Skrill, bank transfer, wire transfer, and they will pay you on the 1st and the 15th of every month, so which is good as well, so you don't have to be waiting a whole month to get your money. Okay, so as I say, you will come to a website, you will click on the affiliate program, and then once that you click on the affiliate program, you will click on join now. Once that you are click on join now, it's going to take you to a different website where the affiliate program is hosted. So as you can see, the only thing you will have to do is you will need to click is I'm an affiliate, and then it will be as simple as start registering, put in all your details, and once that you are accepted, that's all. They will give you an affiliate link for promoting the Sotrim program products, and then once that somebody buys through your link, you will make a commission, which is actually great. Okay, and the commissions are paid very well, and as you can see now, it's coming the end of the year, so a lot of people wants to get back in shape and start the new year resolution. So it's a great way for you to start making a lot of money by selling other people's products. So it will be as simple as going to join the platform. Once that you join the platform, it's going to ask you whether if you are an affiliate or if you are an influencer. So then you will need to add your name, your surname, email address, password, and once that you have done so, then you'll receive an email and they will tell you whether if you have been accepted to a program. And once that you have been accepted to a program, they're gonna give you a specific links where you can promote the different products they actually have. So once that you have your affiliate links, it's very important that you can start getting traffic out of it. And if you go into the ingredients of the products, then you can see all the different products that they add into a product, so that actually make it very effective for the lose weight. So once that you have your affiliate links, as I said, we need to get the traffic. So how are we gonna get our traffic? So first of all, what I want you to go is, I want you to go to a website. I want you to put in Google, find a forum. And then on this Find a Forum website, you're gonna see it's a forum where there are thousands and thousands of people interacting every single day. So it will be as simple as going to categories and then dieting and weight loss. So then when you are in dieting and weight loss, you're gonna see that there are different forums appearing. So I want you to go through each of them and then have a look at what people are talking about and try to interact as much as possible, because once first of all, you will need to obviously register your account, but once that you have registered your account, you're gonna have the option to as well engage on the forums. So once that you engage on the forum, then it's gonna give you the option to interact with other people that are actually looking for the same. They're looking for tips on how to lose weight. All these people that you see on the forum, they looking for weight loss, they're looking for dieting recipes, they're looking for strategies. So look how many people are actually on the forum. So you can see 4,907 posts, and then it has got more than 800 threads, which means that people are commenting on that. So what you could do is you could start interacting with people on the forum and start putting your link. Make sure that you add value, because once that you add value and people like your response, the likelihood of people signing up with your product will actually increase. So as I say, you'll come to the Find a Forum, you'll go through all the different forums, you will need to register, and then once that you have registered with the forums, you can't forget about it. Make sure that you have all your passwords and emails in a safe place that is quickly to access, so then when you go into a website, you just need to click and then add the details, and then you are on the forum. So as you can see, all these forums, they're talking about diet, they're talking about ways on how to lose weight. So as soon as people buy any of the products, which they will, because they will go check out the reviews at Soul Trim Ingredients, and once that they see the success stories, they are more likely to buy. Okay, so then there are different topics. You go into diet talk, and then it will be the same idea. You will copy the URL link, and then you will need to sign up. You sign up with them. And then once that you go into the forum, you're gonna be able to see all the different conversations. So this forum, for example, is not active, so then you'll go into the next one. Let's say this one, active low carbs forum. Then we wanna click on it, and then here you can see, so the only thing you will need to do is you need to register, and these are actually real people that are commenting. Look how many posts, so it's just gonna take you a few minutes per day to be able to go through each of these posts and be able to answer and say, first of all, you need to be understandable, you need to be compassionate of what people are saying, and then relate to them, and then you can tell them, look, this is what has really worked for me, you can try it out. And that's a good way that when people click on the link, they're gonna automatically go to a website, buy the product, and you will start getting profit out of it once that you're accepted. As simple as that. So anyways, that's one of the ways to find a forum for you to get traffic. Another way is you could actually go into Facebook, into your Facebook groups. okay? And once that you are on your Facebook groups, you can see that there are so many groups that are talking about lose weight and weight loss tips and healthy living. So all these people that are on the groups, you will need to join to a group. But once that you join to a group, you're gonna see it will give you an option to be able to see all the members, and then you can start interacting with the people over here. Just make sure that they're not spamming. But for example, if people are actually looking for any type of advice, then you could just interact with them, make conversation with them, and send them the link. You can see people here, they're saying they're interested. If they are in this group chat, it's because they want to have a healthy lifestyle. So you can do the same for the rest of the groups. Then you can do it with all the different groups that you find about weight loss, and then the same strategy. So that's the second way that you could get traffic. The third way that you could get traffic is if you go to a website you could call Reddit. Once that you sign up with this website as well, you can put here weight loss, and then you're gonna see all the different topics about weight loss. So once that weight loss, and then again, you can see all this conversation. There are more than 700 comments, so that means that when you leave your comment on there, you're gonna have exposure and visibility to more than 700 people to be able to see your comment and be able to click on the link. Okay, so I will advise you to come to this website Reddit as well and start interacting with people. That's something that you can do. Like, you can spend 15 minutes a day for each website or that you can get traffic to, and then you don't want to spam your links. You want to make sure that you can answer decently to the questions that people are asking and say, look, this is what have worked for me, or I've heard. You can check out the testimonials, check it out and see if it works for you. Because as you can see on Sutrim, the ingredients that are proven, that actually work, and it's been scientifically proven that it can enhance the weight loss that an individual could have. So if you don't believe me, just go and have a research of these ingredients, and then you will see for yourself. Okay, so then, as I say, you will go to Reddit, and then Reddit you'll be answering the different questions. And the last source of traffic which I want to show you is Quora, which works in a similar manner than Reddit, but then here is a place where people are asking questions, and then you'll be able to answer different questions that they might have. And again, you make sure that your answer is somehow deep, or is somehow elaborated, so it doesn't look like you're spamming. But you can see all the different questions. You will need to go into all the different answers and so on that people are saying, and see if you can do something and put something there that can relate with other people. But as I say, once that you have your Sutrim affiliate links, you're gonna get paid. These are some of the ways that you can get traffic organically as well. You could create your YouTube channel and do it that way. But I just wanted to show you some of the easy options for you to start to get traffic organically if you don't have money to invest on ads at the moment. So you can start getting some sales from forums for traffic on, as I say, on Facebook, Quora, or Reddit, and then start getting sales. Once you start getting sales, you can scale up and go into your pay ads. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. As I say, it's a great opportunity to start making money online. It's coming the end of the year. People are eating too much. They want to lose weight at Christmas and in the new year. So I hope that you find this strategy helpful. I hope that you implement it and you can get great results out of it and make money out of it. And if you want to find out more information about other strategies on how to make money online, I just want you to click on the first link on the description, because it's gonna give you a free checklist on the things that you need to get started and start making money today. So this is all for today's strategy. If you like it, please give me a massive like and subscribe to the channel, because this will really help me to be able to create more videos like this and be able to bring you the latest strategies on digital marketing that nobody knows yet, and then you can be the first ones to find out and benefit from it. So I hope that you have an amazing day, an amazing week, and I will see you soon, guys. Take care now.